So as in Stake, like, does Stake outsource a lot of his stuff, like any of content or working with agencies for links
Yeah,
building?
we work a lot of agency partners because we produce a lot. Like we can do it in house for say content production and working with other things, but it's really a resourcing. Like at the end of the day, like I trust our vendors with my life because I trust their expertise. They also have other clients, so they see things in the search that I wouldn't have. So I also use it for consultation, even though I'm a I'm an excellent SEO. I might be one of the best in the world, like but I trust them because I'm no longer an agency, so I don't have that kind of experience. So whether it would be like partnerships within very specific markets or hard to get like link opportunities, for example, content production, and like we work either with agency partners or directly with individual freelancers, for example,
Okay.
like that we're able to negotiate ourselves. Some require like special governance with like very specialized markets. They have to know the requirements of when producing content, for example. And it's the only way that we can produce the volume of content we do. Like we produced 600,000 words last month, I think, like or
Hmm.
maybe even 700,000 words. I think it was a record month, and that is a crazy amount of
That
volume of
all goes on Stake.com.
stake.com and regulated markets. I think
Okay.
both. But like it's essentially that is purely stake, and that is a high amount of volume that
Yeah.
happens automatically with like, and also with a human touch. Not a single one of them is like auto published. We have a quick review of it. We add interlinks. The SEO team all add that, and it's all part of the process. So the amount of volume we do from a content standpoint is incredible. The amount of volume we do from a link standpoint and link and performance standpoint is incredible. But to answer your original question, yes, we work with individual vendors, and anyone who's smart should, because you can only scale yourself so much. Like at one point, you become the limiting factor of growth or
Yeah, of
scaling or
course, of
those kind of
course.
things. Like you should always be looking for good partners to do that. And this is beyond even SEO. Like this is in affiliate marketing. This is in any type of marketing or anything in general.
Okay. And how can anybody like work with Stake, if any freelancer or any agency?
From an affiliate standpoint or from all.
From an agency or a freelancer
Sure.
standpoint.
So if you go to vendors.stake.com, so vendors.com, all external agency vendors can go there and like apply. So this could be finance people, this could be
Hmm.
affiliate partners, this could be like analytics software
Hmm.
or anything like that. There's actually a process where it will funnel to like the correct department, and they can do that because we're always looking for
New people.
new partners to solve very specific problems. If you have a problem that you can solve, that would do that. If you're an affiliate specifically, we do have an affiliates page. So I think it's stake.com/affiliates/overview. If you go to /affiliates, it will redirect you that anyway. There's so if you're an affiliate, for example, you can go to stake.com/affiliates, and it takes you to affiliate/overview. And I believe there's assets you can download. There's things you can do. If you're a stake.com customer or you have a stake.com account, there's more things to there because you can actually create your I don't know if it's 100% correct, but I believe you can create your own affiliate code from a stake account if you're legally allowed to.
Hmm.
Don't actually quote me on that one,
Hmm.
but there's an affiliate page, also a vendors page to go out and reach out in order to become an affiliate partner, and that will get sent to like an it's an inbound lead for the affiliate team, and someone from the affiliate team will get back to affiliate partners, and hopefully there's a good enough turnaround time, or else they're not doing their job right.
Okay. And like, of course, anybody can reach out to you as well
Oh, you can, like if you're in SEO, like email, like you can always email me or get in touch with me. So if you're here in Chang, I don't know if I should give out my email on a video. It's usually generally a bad idea, but like you can reach
people
out to
can
me.
find you on LinkedIn and
They
stuff.
can find me on LinkedIn and reach out to me. If you find my email, if you see that's maybe it's a good test for outreach. If you could find your email, then I believe in your outreach ability.
Yeah.
But like,
Yeah,
but
maybe use some tools on link that scripts from LinkedIn and stuff.
yeah. You can do that, or you can get in touch, or you can just email the vendors thing. The vendors
Yeah.
one, if you say you're looking for Peter at
Yeah.
Stake, you can actually you will get in touch with me.
Yeah.
And like generally speaking, say for example, if it's links, I'll probably funnel it onto Lawson, who's our link acquisition specialist, and he would like, because I'm as a lead, I'm too busy to take on like meetings unless I very specifically tell people to email me and like have a meeting. But that's generally how people get in touch with me or get in touch with my team, because I trust my team completely. Like I approve budgets of my team. My team pitch me budgets all the time. I want to spend X amount on this particular campaign for UFC 322, and I want to try a new vendor for this particular one, for example. Like for like stuff that we do is like, for example, PR companies or we're in Chiang Mai, but other interesting link stuff to say the least. But like, or even like those kind of things, like like those are the kind of things I'm always open to, and I'm always willing to talk to people because there's obviously gaps in our SEO resourcing that we could always scale or adopt in it. And I'm always hungry for new things because I don't want us to be the only ones not doing strategy X or strategy Y. We're very fortunate at Stake that we have such a strong brand that we don't have to resort to some tactics, but we could, if we do a tactic, I truly believe we could do it like better and than our like the competitors who are doing it if we just resource it with the time and energy, to be honest.